2015 Ford Expedition, engine size 3.5 liter. Replace water pump. Take it off throttle body. 8 milli size. Hold it. Throttle body, these are 4 bolt 8 millimeter. Use a socket. This is take it out of this type. Okay. Now take it off this lock. This hose go all the way up for throttle body. Okay, so out, this lock coming out and pull up. Okay. Maybe. Okay, this is throttle body hose coming out. One hose, take it off for turbo. This hose, okay, this half here lock, and other side all the way down here, all the way down. Take it off this lock, and this hose move it there. This is turbo hose. This turbo hose. So replace that water. This is a turbo hose clamp. This have 8 millivolt. One second. Off कर दे. This is this tensioner socket. Put this 15 milli to take it off belt.